Hello guys. Today in Happy Learning session we are going to learn something new about what is exactly microbiology and what is the basic things that you have to know about microbiology. Microbiology in the name itself means micro is the smaller organisms, it's biology. We're going to study about the microorganisms. Now, what is the definition of microbiology? So microbiology is a science that studies about the living organisms that we cannot see in the naked eyes. That means it is only visible through any kind of electron microscope or a compound microscope. So normally has you use a normal term called germs. Now, so what is the nature of microorganisms? So they are also known as pathogens, microbes, microorganisms. The main thing which are also beneficial as well as could cause some diseases. So most are harmless, like like lactobacillus, all this for the curdling of your milk, everything are useful for the fermentation of your beer, yeast, and all those are good. Now, E. coli in small intestine helps in proper digestion. That is also a kind of good kind of bacteria. Now, so that there is a particular temperature, pH, and environment which each different types of organisms need to adapt in the sense they need a particular environment to survive. So they need a particular pH, proper moisture, and proper food and proper oxygen supply. Now, so that means coming to the oxygen supply, they are aerobic and anaerobic conditions. Aerobic is where the bacteria can survive only in the oxygen condition. Anaerobic is where it is toxic. The oxygen is toxic for the bacteria to grow. And pH, they are acidic bacteria, acidophilic bacteria, mesophilic bacteria. They are under different condition. Basophilic bacteria are nothing but they survive in the basic conditions like around the about the 7 pH. Now, so there are different types, of methods where you can use to destroy the bacteria, as we use it daily in the labs, and the sanitizers and everything, that is usually the alcohol based sanitizers and soaps and everything, which will prevent the growth and slow down its growth either by destroying its cell wall so that all the genetic material will come out, as you know about the sanitizers and the present corona condition. And you can use the disinfectant to clean your house by bleach, because it is high acidic condition, high pH, and which I know we can't use it in the skin because it causes irritation because it is acidic. Then you can use sterilization in the labs, mostly like autoclaving. It is the same principle of the pressure cooker, which kills all the microorganisms, even the spores. And there are other methods like you can use gas, radiation, and some other chemical methods can also be used to destroy the microorganisms. So there are different types of microorganisms, as you all know: bacteria, fungi, yeast, parasites, viruses, protozoas. Now in bacteria, mostly it affects the humans, mostly. So it is classified according to their shape and how many uh, group it makes, like pairs or clusters or chains, like that, or single. Diplococci, which is round, which is in pairs. Staphylococci, which is also round, which is in groups like clusters. Streptococci is round, which is in chains. Bacilli is rod shape, pairs, single, or in chains. Then spiral shape, which is single. Thank you for today's session.